Good morning guys, and in front of me is XIAOMI 15T, and let me show you how to change phone ringtone. So, if you wish to update your phone ringtone, just open the settings, then find and select sound and vibration. Here locate the ringtone, and now choose the album from which you want to select this tune. The albums are here, so you can either pick one from online if only you do have your network connection active. Let me go to local tunes. So here you can pick something from recorder, audio files, or your own music, and also from default options. So just by tapping you can apply it, then go back, and as you can see it is already set. Here you get the name, the new one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.